recently I uploaded a short video, but normal video I didn't upload in a long time, but I'm back. And today it's a different video because I'm going to be doing a gaming video. So this is a game called PKXD. I love this game, and you can see it's very nice, colorful and all. There are armor, many things are here. You'll love to see it. I'll give a tour and I'll play the game also. You might receive many videos on PKXD. So yep, let's begin. So I have to do new player. Sorry, I forgot to put on the internet only. So let's go. It shows me. So right now I'm in my pro outfit, one of my pro outfit. This is another pro outfit of mine. See, I like this one more. I want to get this. The outfit is still not complete. I don't know what I'm saying today. I still have to get these shoes, then this hat, and yeah, these many things I need to get. So for getting these, I need to play some games in PKXD mini games. And this is my pet reindeer. Isn't she cute? I love it. I got it in a Christmas pet pot. I'm sorry, I have a cold. Okay, so now I'll show you guys my house. So first, outside of my house I'll show. It's a very Christmas themed house, isn't it? Ta-da! It's a very Christmas themed house. I am saving up seriously for my container house right now. So yeah. This is a big like Christmas tree I put next to my house. It's very pretty. Yeah. I like to do like that sometimes. And in my watch I have to get some rewards. I did. And yeah. I'll show you guys my house inside. And voila, this is the living room. When you come in, you have this reindeer, rug, this scientific tube, a snow blaster, this one, snow blaster, and plant, balloon, and you'll also see a fireplace. In this pretty chocolate wonderland. My living room is a chocolate wonderland. Okay, I have seriously so many couches and chairs. First one is this, I recently bought it. This is the second. This is the third. And some newbie ones is this and this. And I also did a glitch like this. Not a glitch exactly, but I put it on the wall also. I can sit on the wall. This puff, this Halloween one. And I got this in the arcade. You guys might know what an arcade is, and if you don't, arcade is a gaming place where you can play like video games and all. See, I have an arcade poster also, this one. Wait, I'll climb on the sofa, this one. This is an arcade poster. It's a perfect hiding spot over here if you want to play hide and seek. See, you can't see me now. I have to get up on the chair. I'm stuck, somebody help. Oh, finally I got it. It's very closely packed. You can see my living room. And we have this gigantic TV, and you can also play games to other TV, which you can change channels. This one, my favorite one is this hot dog sausage. It's very funny, I like it. This big gigantic polar bear. Okay, so back to what we're playing. I have some new, these are some few posters you can put, poses, while you're playing the game. This is a new one I got. So that's my living room. Let's go to my bedroom. Ta-da! My bedroom is not that big or consumed space, you can say, but it's very nice. This clock guy I have, it's a robot, I guess. And this is a pet area. Pet area is this place. You have one pet bed, another pet bed, two double bowl, a double bowl, and one other double bowl I got from a creator's code. This is a stool you can sit on, meditation one. another one you can go on the top of this. This is a Halloween cupboard. I just got it for free somehow. And this one is my favorite bed. Now see, I will go inside. Wait, I have to click somehow. Wait. I'm inside. Close the tube. Ta-da! I'm not here anymore. But actually I can. Okay. So like that only. Now I need to do one more change in here in my room. So wait, I need to add like more cupboards, wardrobes. It'll look better because that looks very boring. Okay, let's X that out. I say X that out. Okay, what should we get then? I think this cupboard looks nice. This 1001. This one. See? Wait, where's it does? It's a bit bigger than my usual one. Ta-da! I spent 1,000 coins in it. Now it looks better, doesn't it? And we have a little table to have food, popcorn, tea bags and all. This is the medical bed. The pet area has a lot of things too. That's my bedroom. It's timing. Okay, now we need to go to the kitchen for the door. So this video of my PKXD will be a house tour. So in this fridge you can get many things like milk, this ice cream, and this you can also get a cake. It's not giving me right now. See, cake. See, I'm holding a cake. Eat it. Then this one gives me only water. It's a water fridge. Sink. Here you can get tea and hamburger. You can get burger and sandwiches over here. This is a hamburger. It's a burger. And you can also get sandwich. Okay. Okay, now over here I have some pet bowls. As you can see, this is a cat pet bowl. I can feed it, and this is a normal one. Here also you can get a few things like hamburger. Again, hamburger. Oops, I'm opening my backpack. Here also you can get hamburgers. I mean sandwiches. You can get sandwiches here. I put this table up. I don't know why. I just felt nice. That's it. I can sit in my chair, 2 chairs. It's a surfing board table. It's very nice. I have a bit of the cold over there. Then 2 showers in my bathroom. Welcome to my bathroom. I forgot to say. This is the first one. This is the second one. Hey, where are you looking? I can shower there. And over here is the toilet. You can also flush it. I like it. That's it. Okay. Then is the pet shower place. And this guy needs some washing. Let's wash it. See? This is a place you can sit and do your makeup and all. This guy needs to shower. Wait, what? What's wrong with showering? Go and shower. You shower, I'll go and get some. No. Okay, so that was my house in PKXD. I forgot to show you a few more things. This is the garbage. This is a garbage, really icky garbage. Okay, so reindeer is clean. Good job. So that was my house tour in PKXD. I hope you liked my video, and if you did, please just smash that thumbs up button and subscribe for more videos like this gaming one. So I'll see you guys next time in another video. Bye.